Hey, good afternoon, welcome to another video. Welcome car and electric car fans. Today the summer has started. The Bolt EV Ampere E has been washed and treated, but there's one thing missing, and that is replacing the winter screen wash with a dedicated summer screen wash. Today we're going to be testing a Sonax Almsommer Scheibenreiniger. Gebrauchsfertig. Aus dem Alpen. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's see what this smells like and what it looks like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Let's go, enjoy the video. And why I decided to not buy just a cheap one from the supermarket. Every now and then I hear in the news there's too much methanol in there, dangerous substances. I've also learned that they can be, if they're too aggressive, they can be harmful for the rubber on the screen wipes. Dry them out. And yeah, with this more premium, not so expensive screen wash, I picked one up from Sonax. Yeah, I'm just a sucker for these smells and these drawings. I mean, look at it. You could choose between pink flamingos, surfboards, and I had to get this one. This reminds me of a vacation with my parents. I'm young. I'm 43 now, but this could have been me a few years ago with my girlfriend, now my wife. We're in traditional clothes on the Alpine. You can smell the flowers. These two are having a very nice time. Maybe it'll get romantic in a little bit. Looks really nice. Have a little house there. I'm sure it smells amazing. It looks great. So I thought, yeah, I had to get this. So yeah, let's see what this smells like. Let's open it up. Herbs, fresh, like a mown grass with flowers. It also smells slightly alcoholic. It actually could smell like a German schnapps. I think I kind of like it. Reminds me somehow also of the Oktoberfest. I can see myself going to the Oktoberfest and wearing something like this. Sehr schön. And yeah, this is just, reminds me of Sound of Music, walking in the Alps. Eating enormous Schweinshaxen, enormous Weissbier. These are all good associations. So I think it's going to be very good in the screen wash. Let's put it in and see how it cleans. Of course, in every car this looks the same. You want to look for this logo. So after you pop the hood, and this little oval shaped window with the fountain is where you put in the screen wash. Not in any of these other boxes. Only here. Ja, sehr schön, sehr, sehr geil. Almsommer. Rein damit, rein damit. Yeah, as you can see, it's actually a little bit green. So maybe it does come straight from the Alps. And that's why it smells so fresh. Look how happy these people are. Das will ich auch. Ich will auch so durch die Alme laufen. Hand in Hand. Turn on now the airco's. So that a lot of the... Verdammt. Nicht holländische Radio jetzt. I wanted to be German. So, we're going to be now using this stuff. And as the fresh air is coming in, we should be able to smell it. Let's see whether that's really true. Whether we'll smell the product. Here it goes. Here comes the initial layer. A bit more. Ja. Ein Mädchen auf ein Fahrrad. Ein Mann auf ein Fahrrad. I hope I don't get them wet here, these people. Do I smell the Almsommer? Ja. Ja. Yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah. It's too bad that you can't smell this on YouTube, but yeah, it's a very, very subtle herbs. It's fresh. Maybe here in the back also, you can see. Oh, another Fahrrad. Alle Fahrräder werden abgespritzt heute. Nicht so schön. But at least they'll smell like the German Alps. But this is great. I mean, I smell it. I can sit here all day and do this. I close my eyes, I smell. Okay, it's not as strong as the smell with the Zirben, the pine tree fruit that I had in the winter. But this smells really nice. It smells fresh, like a field. And I also think that the cleaning capabilities of this are quite good. The product promises that you need less sprays per wipe, per panel, so you won't use too much of it. Yeah, of course, if you're a sucker for Almsommer, like me, and you like to go to these places and you like to smell them, yeah, of course you'll use more. But I must say, so far it looks pretty promising how it cleans. Have you ever used Sonax Almsommer? Or have you used the pink flamingo that is going on a vacation that I'll be showing later to my wife's car? Have you used other screen wipes that smell like cherries, bananas, apples? The reason I'm asking you is I only have experience with this Sonax product here. But I actually want to try more of these things. So I want to try ones that smell fantastic and that have unique smell. So if you have any suggestions of products that can do that really smell great, yeah, write me in the comments below. And I'll be happy to buy them and try them out. Because that just makes the whole experience of owning a car and changing in the seasons and driving it in the summer and the spring and the winter so much more enjoyable, these smells. And I also think, yeah, the cleaning capabilities, yeah, I think it's much better. And, you know, for a few euros more, this was like €6, lasts the whole summer, but then you have a good product. And that's also important if you have a nice car and spend a lot of money on it from your own savings and you've worked hard for it. Let me know. Sehr schön. Yeah, they look really happy, these people. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed my demonstration of Sonax Almsommer Scheibenreiniger. Gebrauchsfertig mit Lederhosen und Dirndl. Have you used the product? Do you like it? Write it in the comments below. Send me your suggestions. And please subscribe if you haven't already to the channel. Feel free to contact me with any questions. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. And for now, I wish you an amazing summer. Whether you'll wear surf clothes or lederhosen or dirndl, let it be a fantastic summer with great memories and great vacation with you, your family and your car. And I'll see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen!